We are the champions. We are Queens Locksmith is the number one and most trusted local one-stop shop for all your locksmith needs. We can fix any problem with your lock, hardware, or keys, no matter what the circumstances are. Have you found yourself locked out of your house, car, or office? No problem. We can have one of our technicians there to help within 15 minutes. Our response time is generally 30 minutes for all other calls. For your convenience, we can schedule our techs to come to you at a future time and date. Our experts are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Our services include changing entire locks or lock cylinders, rekeying, installing new locks from standard to high security hardware, fixing jammed and broken locks, removing broken keys from locks, opening locks for which the keys have been lost, lockpicking, securing sliding glass, patio doors and garage locks, window locks, and any other service required.